In this video, we're going to create equations by finding the dimensions in triangles. The only information that is given to us is that the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 17 meters long. One of the legs is 7 meters longer than the other. We need to find the lengths of the legs. So if you want to visualize your right triangle, here's your 90-degree angle. We know that the hypotenuse is 17. We know that one of the legs is 7 meters longer than the other. So if one leg is x, this one is x plus 7. We're going to use the one relationship that we can have with all three sides in a triangle, and that is the Pythagorean theorem. And so we know that x squared plus this leg, x plus 7 squared, notice that I placed that in parentheses, equals the hypotenuse squared. Okay. This is x squared. This we have to multiply out. So let's go ahead and do our little box diagram here. This is x plus 7 times x plus 7. X times x is x squared. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times x is 7x. And 7 times 7 is 49. So this actually expands to x squared. These are like terms. 7 and 7 is 14. 14x plus 49. Alright, so let's see. This is x squared plus this multiplied out is this. Equals, and 17 squared is 169. Nope, 289, sorry. 289. Now I'm going to do two things, and I need you to make sure that you're paying attention. X squared and x squared are like terms, right? So I am going to combine those two. At the same time, I'm going to make sure that I get 0 on the right hand side. So I'm going to subtract 289 from both sides. Alright, here I go. X squared and x squared is 2x squared plus 14x. 49 minus 289. Negative 240. Equals 0. Now I have a quadratic equation, and I need to solve for the x, right, which is one of my legs. And I'm going to use the quadratic formula. And I know that a equals 2, b equals 14, and c equals negative 240. You know me, I'm going to go for the Pythagorean discriminant. Oh, my camera moved. Sorry. Alright, b is 14, so I'm going to square the 14 minus 4 times a, which is a 2, and c, which is negative 240. Alright, typing that into the calculator. Alright, so my discriminant is 2116. Now, where's my quadratic formula? Here it is. Right. So then x equals negative b, that's opposite of b, so my b is 14. So we negative 14 plus or minus the square root of the discriminant. My discriminant is 2116 over 2 times a, and my a is a 2. We type that into the calculator. We get an 8, and if we use the minus sign instead, we get a negative 15. Let's see. Wait, a leg can never be negative, so we can cross that one out. So we know this one is 8, so one of the legs is 8, and the other leg is 8 plus 7, right? 8 plus 7 is going to be 15.